Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time here, then welcome to my channel. Okay, so in today's video, I wanted to just kind of do like a demonstration and review of how I use the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. That took me a couple times to get that right, just know that. So yeah, it's this baby right here. I got the pink one. It comes in 3 different colors, I think all black, and then a black pink one. Oh no, so that's just 2 colors. I thought there was a light blue. Yeah, there is a light blue, like a teal colored one. But I got the pink one because, you know, me love my pink. And so pretty much it lets you blow dry your hair and style it all in one, kind of like give you like a blowout type of vibe. It's got 3 settings. It's got cool, low, and high. I like to use it on high because me got thick hair. So let me just go ahead and read what it says online.
The Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer is a designed hot air brush to deliver gorgeous volume and brilliant shine in a single step. The unique oval brush design smooths hair, I think is what it wanted to say, smooths hair while the rounded edges quickly create volume at the root and beautifully full-bodied bands at the ends in a single pass for salon blowouts at home. The brush is designed with nylon pin and tufted bristles for detangling, improves volume and control.
So it says it's 1100 watts. It's going for $48.99 at Bed Bath & Beyond. I paid, yeah, pretty much $59.99 for mine, but I got mine on Ulta. Let's see. That's crazy.
I should have got it at Bed Bath & Beyond. Dang it.
So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it. So my hair is a little dry on the roots because I've had it up for like an hour now, but the rest of it is quite damp and my hair takes forever to dry. So when I discovered this thing,
I was like,
yes. my you know, not my prayers, but I wasn't praying for it, but my struggles have been answered. What I'm using in my hair these days is the OGX Pure is the OGX Beauty Pure and Simple Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. So it's this blue guy right here. I go ahead and wash it with my shampoo, and then depending on what day it is, I've been using this LV Wonder Water Hair Transforming Lamellar, I don't know if I'm saying it right, lamellar rinse out. So it's pretty much you apply this to your hair and just massage it in for 8 seconds. I think that's nothing, so I actually do it for like 20 seconds. And you just rinse it out, and it says you can do conditioner after, or you can just do that alone, but I like my hair to be soft because it is dry, and that's kind of because of the season we're in, summer, like, and I did kind of like lighten it a bit. So I do go ahead and go in with the conditioner, the Argan Oil of Morocco, and leave that in. It says to leave it in for about 3 to 5 minutes, so I do that and I rinse it out, and then I actually use also the creamy hair butter, or the creamy hair butter, which is also in the same line, so kind of you'll know what goes together because they match each other. And so yeah, that's pretty much what I have in my hair right now. So it's still pretty wet, but I'm gonna go ahead and put a heat protector on it, and I'm using the Not Your Mother's All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 hair protector with natural keratin, and it's for all hair types. So we want our hair to be protected. I'm gonna go ahead and spray that. Let's kind of get my hair wet again. So then I just like to kind of brush it through, make sure all the hair kind of gets soaked in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how like I start. You know, I start from the bottom up, but I'm not gonna make you watch the whole process. I'll go ahead and speed it up, you know, get through it for you guys. So, and then once I'm at the very top, I will come back to you guys, okay? And if you have thick hair, it is recommended to use like smaller sections. Sometimes I'd be getting impatient and just do like that, like what you just saw right now. I'll do this whole chunk right here, but then my roots are still kind of damp, so it causes a little poofiness. So I'm gonna do it the right way for you guys today. And just go ahead and part it out. All right, so it's about 3:13 right now, and I've got a timer here, so we're just gonna get that started. See how long it actually takes. So that right there took a minute, pretty much. So I'm not gonna, it says, okay, so a minute and like some seconds, but pretty much a minute. So we'll throw that back. I'm just gonna bring back down this section here. And let's keep going. That took like about another minute. I'm gonna go ahead and then just do this whole bottom half, and then I'll come back for the top part, because my battery is at 39% and I'm not sure it's gonna make it the whole way through, but I'll have the timer going the whole time, okay?
One eternity later.
Alright, so I did the bottom half now. I stopped the timer real quick. It's what took me about 13 minutes to do this bottom half of my hair. Now I just wanted to go ahead and do the top part of it with you guys, so you guys can see how I style it from there. Just sectioning out my hair. Alright, so 13 minutes to the bottom half. Let's go ahead and start the top half now. Timer restarted. You know what? I'm going to do this one into 2 parts. Do this whole section, but it's not that big. And usually with this last section, I'll do it on low rather than high, because it is like the thinner part of my hair. So go ahead and put that on low. So it's pretty much done on this side, and just to kind of lock in, you know, that any frizziness, I will go ahead and use the cool option. So we'll do that. So it's been about 18 minutes now. Usually it takes me about 20 minutes to do that. I have been talking, pausing to turn the AC on and whatnot. So I'm just going to go ahead and section that off. Let's go ahead and do this side quickly. just gonna do it on the lowest setting. Now I'm gonna do the cool. Don't really like the way I did this flip right here. I think my bangs are just at an awkward length right now. Alright, stop. 22:58. So that took about 23 minutes, but I probably could have shaved off a few if I was quiet. But pretty much hair is blow dried and styled. But you guys can see the finished results. So to put some moisture back into my hair, I've been using the L'Oreal Elvive Smooth Intense Frizz Taming Serum with Cara Oleo. It says up to 72 hours frizz control with System High Shine Anti-Humidity. So I just like to take that to the ends first. I kind of like just concentrate it a lot on the ends. Take it back. And then I'll just brush it because I feel like the brush helps distribute the oil all over the hair more. So it's pretty much my hair. I know camera I really can't get my full length of hair, but it looks really good, you know, after you put a little moisture back in it. It does leave your hair pretty smooth and like you can run your fingers through it. I think it's pretty cool. It's pretty easy to use. Makes it really fast to do your hair. If you're in a time crunch, it took me 20 minutes. If you have shorter, thinner, you know, less hair, it's gonna take you probably half the time. So 10 minutes, I mean, come on. So that's my 2 cents on the, hold on, Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. Thanks for watching all the way through the video. I wasn't even sure I was going to do the video, but I figured, you know what, I haven't done a lot of hair. Well, I haven't done any hair videos for that matter. So I thought, why not? Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.